Hello folks, Waz here, B&B Audio Concepts, and today we have a VW Caddy in, and we have just installed a KENWOOD 8021, which is our sort of go-to top of the range sort of unit that we sell at a sort of mid-market level. Now this unit's got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, DAB and Bluetooth. We've also added a KENWOOD reverse camera. So there we have a reverse camera. This is a works vehicle, so about 5 people drive this. So now they've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, whether they want it wireless or wired. It's just convenient. They can now get to the clients without being lost, and it's just more professional. Also give ETAs of arrival times to the customers. Something like this interests you, give us a shout. It's Waz, B&B Audio Concepts. We're in Cardiff and we're part of the KENWOOD Pro scheme. So you're getting the job done right, not one of these shabby installs from the net. Thank you very much.